Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you what Legendary Marketer exactly is and how you can participate in Legendary Marketer Online Business Builder Challenge. Well, as you can see, this page is the sales page of Legendary Marketer. So here you can buy the program. And if you want to get started, just click the green button below and then you can get started. So what is it exactly? Well, the 15-day Online Business Builder Challenge is literally a challenge in 15 days where you learn the following tips and tricks. So first of all, the number one secret to starting and scaling a high ticket business. What is a high ticket business? A high ticket business really means that you sell high valuable products. And if you sell a high valuable product, you get a high valuable commission as well. The core for high ticket business models online. There are so many make money online opportunities. Some people speak of social media marketing agency, consulting, dropshipment by Amazon or Shopify. And of course, there is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing pretty much means is that you promote other people's products. Okay. Watch me build a business in under 30 minutes. So how can you start a business in 30 minutes? Which tools do you need necessarily to start your own online business? How to master the inner game of wealth. If you want to be successful, you need a certain mindset. And in day 4, you get to know what kind of mindset that is. Day 5, developing your business plan. If you get started with your own online business, you need to develop a plan. So you know where you stand now and what do you need to do to go from A to Z. You got questions, I got the answers. So like frequently asked questions videos. Day number 7 is learning when you should quit your job to build your business full time. Most people who start an online business, they have a 9-to-5 job or they have an own business and they want to start an online business as well. But when is the point that you can actually quit your job? Very important to know. What are high income skills and why do you need them? For example, high income skill is copywriting. Once you have set up your business and you're gonna email people, and what should you write in your emails? So that is what you learn in day 8. Day 9, lead generation. A business without traffic is no business. Every business needs traffic. If you have an online business or an offline business, all businesses need traffic. And in day 9, you will exactly learn how to generate traffic and which traffic sources are there for running an online business. Copywriting, like I said previously, which emails could you write and how to write the emails and how do you do sales and presenting yourself online. What, when, and where to outsource. So when is the time that you can scale up your business and when is the time that you outsource things for your business. Use OPM, so other people socials, to build your business so you can tap into other people's platforms to build your own online business. Day 14 is 4 ways to avoid entrepreneur syndrome. So you want to be real and authentic, and what way can you reach that point? And day 15, your first sale and your journey to success. And of course, there are also some bonuses. Bonus number 1, a customized high ticket plan, business plan. Bonus number 2, Facebook ads templates. So which you can use by running ads on Facebook. Bonus number 3, high ticket email templates. So you know exactly what to write in an email and what not. And high ticket video scripts. Video scripts are essentially used for the bridge page. And in my previous video, you can watch it over here, how I built a sales funnel from scratch and promoting ClickBank offers. And I also lay down how to create a bridge video. You can watch that on that video. And bonus number 5, high ticket phone scripts. Bonus number 6, you get a personal one-on-one business plan consulting with an advisor from the team. And these guys are working for Legendary Marketer, so you get one-on-one coaching. And a copy of their top converting high ticket affiliate marketing funnel. And that's it, guys. It's all just for $7. So in $7 you learn the following things. if you are logged in and you clicked and you've created your account, you can get in this back office section. So the first day, you're gonna learn how to build a high profit business online. You got assignments, you got a quiz, you need to schedule a call with your business advisor, download Zoom, and there you go. During your journey to becoming a freelance digital marketer yourself, you may have many people trying to mislead and scam you, and how to quickly identify online scams, because those guys are lots and lots of online. And every day you get to call your business coach, and you see here, mark this session complete and let's build a business. And how to do it, this video is 1 hour long, so how you can create your own online business, and you're gonna fill in the marketing funnels as well. And day number 5 is developing your business plan. And this is our extra business class, which you can see. Here's an example of the business plan, which you can fill in for yourself if you want to start an online business. And day number 6, questions and problems. So I've laid down it already, and the community is huge. There are approximately, I think, 30,000 people in this community who all started their own online business in high-ticket affiliate marketing. So what do you have more? There are some couple more business blueprints. Business blueprints is their upsell that they have, and you can learn anything about affiliate marketing, how to make a digital course for yourself, how to plan and host an event and mastermind, and how to do coaching and consulting. I'm not going to deep in depth in there, but you will figure that out for yourself. Obviously, there is support, and you can start a chat so that you have any kind of support. And always you can ask questions in the Facebook group of community. So this is my short video about a review about Legendary Marketer's Online Business Builder Challenge. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will come back to you soon. Good day.